Hello, it's Dr. Cool. In today's video here, we'll be running a little bit of experiment. The experiment is to roast this sensor, roast up here, and let's take a look at what is inside this very sensor here. We're going to be doing it on Honda Accord model. This is your high pressure binary sensor. It is not switch. A lot of people are gonna call it switch, but this is not switch, and I'm gonna prove it to you guys today that this is not switch. Though there are switch. The switch only have 2 terminals, but the sensor have 3 wires and sometimes even 4. And these ones are a little bit tricky to bypass when you start having a problem, when you're unsure if it is actually what is bad in the system that is making it not to allow power to pass through it. So let me cover this one up. I'm not gonna show you where I'm gonna burn it, but I already have one that I burned. And let's take a look at what is inside. What is inside the pressure sensor. Okay, this is the high pressure side of, another name also is the liquid line for Honda Accord 2008 model. And so you've seen it is a little bit pre-burnt. Now let's go into the detail. You can see it right here. There is a chip inside it. However, I don't know if we can be able to completely extract everything here without ruining the detail. So the fire really got a lot, but there are some main ingredients which are supposed to be seen here that has been raised down by fire. And due to that, the only detail we have here is that there is a chip inside here, an integrated IC. Wow, and the heat was so much that it even wrecked this very IC apart. So we push this aside. Now there is a lot here, so let's go ahead and try to clean this up and see further what's in there. Definitely there's gonna be some hole here. Yes, there are some diaphragm here. And that diaphragm there's a diaphragm here. And that diaphragm is what the pressure that is within the liquid line or the head pressure pushes and send the signal. Okay, we're having more. You can see some connection here. Seems like this is where the tree okay, I'm blowing a lot of things out of here. We have the 3 wires here, and we have a diaphragm. So far, the diaphragm did not destroy with the sensor as it got raised down by fire. So if you look at it well, you can see it, the 3 terminals. Now that really put a lot of question on me because the fire really raised down a lot of things. And because of that, we couldn't get all the details, but at least we have understood that there is a chip like this in there. I can identify the wire, but it's not something you want to think about rebuilding when it fails. So guys, I hope you find this helpful to add into your own knowledge about the sensor, the high pressure sensor in your car AC liquid line.